Hey, profitable creators, Molly here. And in this video, I'm going to show you click by click how I create my graphics for my social media posts for free. So if you are stoked to learn this, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're looking to grow your following and sales online, or if you're looking to learn more about social media or online courses, go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos just like this one. So hello, if we have not met before, my name is Molly Kaiser. I'm an online course expert who's done over $7 million in online course sales. And now I help other professionals like you turn your expertise into your own profitable online course. All right, so like I said, today's video, I'm going to show you click by click how I create my graphics using a software called Canva to create my graphics for my social media posts for free. I'm going to turn my webcam off, bring up my screen share, and I'm going to show you click by click how I do just that. So let's dive in.
All right, so I'm going to show you guys how I make my graphics. I use a free online tool called canva.com, canva.com. I'll have a link below where you can sign up for a free account. Now, I've actually upgraded to the pro account. It's extremely affordable, but you can still do every single thing that I'm going to be teaching in this video with the free account. So what you want to do is go ahead, create an account, log into your account, and I'm going to show you how I would make a design for my social media from scratch. And then I'm also going to show you how I would do it using templates. So first I'm going to start with templates because I think it'll just be easier to learn that way. And then I'll go into creating the design from scratch. All right, so this is already templates that I already have made. They're part of my content creation program. It's just a $49 download. These are the templates, like some of the templates. So basically what I would do is, now that I already have some of these made, I would just go in and create my social media posts. So let's say I wanted to create a social media post around the stages of course creation. Actually, what I'm going to do is duplicate this. All I did was click this plus duplicate page button. So stages of course creation. And then maybe I'm like, step one, narrow down to one course idea. Step two, get paid to test your idea. Step three would be grow your following, or grow a following of buyers. Step four would be to enroll your first student. So obviously your topic is probably going to be different than mine. So you would go in and do whatever you want to do, whatever you want to teach. And then you could go ahead and create a post around this social graphic. Okay. So I'm going to delete that since I just made a duplicate. But that's essentially what you can do. You can duplicate these templates. You can say, 6 ideas for, like, let's say you teach people how to have their own personal chef business, like 6 ideas for getting personal chef clients, or 6 ideas for meals for your clients, or whatever that is. And you put those 6 ideas in here. And then you would create social media posts around that. This one, you can say something like, you can put any other topic you want to teach about here, 3 stages of course creation, 3 stages of becoming a personal chef, whatever you want to put there, how to grow your personal chef business in 5 steps, how to start your first at-home garden in 5 steps, whatever you want to use the templates for, okay? So now I'm going to show you how to create templates from scratch that you can use for your social media. Now, I recommend either purchasing templates. Like I said, I have some inside of my content creation program, or you can create your own templates, but it's just so much easier when you go to work on your social media posts, once a year. I teach how to do it once a year, but maybe you want to do it once a quarter, once a month, like whatever that is. Working from your own templates can be a lot easier, or like I said, somebody else's templates. Now, let's say you want to start from scratch. You'd come up here in the right-hand corner and click create a design. Okay. Now, personally, I like to use Square posts because then I can use those posts on every single platform. I can use it for an Instagram post. I can use it for a Facebook post. I can use it for different things. But if you want to create a post for every single platform to fit that format exactly, you can create an Instagram post. You can create an Instagram story size. You can create a Facebook post size. They have different sizes for everything you want. So let's just stick to Square because I just think it's easier, and then you don't have to like create, different posts for every single format, which can become a lot of work. But also if you have the pro account and you click on resize, you can actually create a design and then you can resize it to every different size for every different social media platform format, which is kind of cool as well. All right, so here's the square design that we're gonna work with. And again, I would recommend that you make a bunch of different ones and you can use them as templates. But here's the cool thing. So based on the size that you chose, which I chose a square, over here, it's gonna say templates and you can choose from different templates. So maybe you wanna make a social media post. Boom, there's a template in Canva already ready for you. Just change your customer's photo and the actual testimonial and the name and the age and all that good stuff, right? There are, let's see here, a powerful way to get you sleep fast. You could say, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could say like 6 ways to fall asleep fast or whatever. So, it just depends on, and you can change any of these to fit your topic. Like these are super cute designs. So you can purchase other people's templates. You can make your own templates. You can even use the templates within Canva, which is like so easy. So actually let's go back to that sleep one, if I can find it. Here we go. Okay, so let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 6. So let's say 6 steps to starting your own online course fast. Okay. Now, these are not my colors. These are not my fonts, right? So like, I'm not going to want this image. So I'm just going to click on it and click the delete button. I don't want this. I'm just going to click on it, click the delete button. This design's kind of cute, but it's not my colors. So I have a pro account, which means that when I click to change colors on stuff, it says that I have a brand kit. These are all my colors and I can easily just change the colors to whatever it is that I want, which is super cool. Now, if you don't want to pay for pro, that's fine. You can just keep like a Word document of what all your colors are so that you can quickly like come here and type in the color number. That's something that I've done as well. So I'm going to change this to my colors. I'm just going to click on each of these and then hold down the shift key so that I can click on a bunch of them at once and see how this is the text and I'm moving up to make sure I don't. Oh, you know what? I don't think I can change the color all at the same time. That's a bummer, but whatever. So, oops, there we go. Let's change the color, right? One by one. It'd be cool, I guess, if you could select them all at the same time, right? I'm not sure if I'm liking this, to be honest with you. I think I'm just gonna get rid of this blob. There, that looks so much better. Now, these are not my fonts, so I'm gonna click on this and I'm gonna click this drop down for the fonts here. And honestly, guys, the best way to learn Canva is just to play around with it. And then right here, it'll say brand kit. These are the 3 fonts that I typically use. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that to my font. Let me see if I can change. Oh, good, I can select multiple to change fonts all at the same time. So that's very exciting. And then I'm just minimizing the size here so they all fit back into these areas. Cool. And then I may even do something like this. Oops. Darn it, I keep missing that. There we go. Oops, there we go. Cool, and then I'm just gonna go over here and grab this font here, drag this down, and then I'm gonna do @MollyMKaiser because that is my Instagram handle. I'm definitely gonna make this like a lot smaller. Yeah, that's pretty cute, right? Very, very cute. And it's, and obviously I would change these, like, so 6 steps to starting your own online course fast, and I would change all of these. And then boom, like now I have like my own original template, so like, it's still a lot easier to like start with the template because it at least gives you something to work with. I feel like it's easier to start with the template. So let's see, what's another cute one that we can do? So like another post you might want to do is like, let's say this is something that people are searching, like asking questions about your topic, like how to start my own online course, and then I would probably change this background image. I might even honestly just like keep it plain. And like this alone could be a social media post, and then your, what do you call it? Oops, there we go. Your caption would be all about all about answering this question. So yeah, so that's how you use Canva to create your own graphics. Like I said, you can create them from templates you buy, templates you make, templates within Canva, which is super cool. And once you create all your own templates like this, like let's say 1 month you have this question that you write a post about on Instagram. Maybe the next month you use this exact same template, but you just change the background and you just change the question to something else that people are asking, how do I build my online course, right? So you can see how it becomes a lot easier. I actually prefer to create, it depends. Sometimes I prefer to write the stuff first. Sometimes I prefer to create the creative first, but do what works for you. So maybe making all these graphics first and then writing posts based off those will be easier for you. So yeah, anyways, I hope that you found this helpful. Hey friend, really quick, if you're struggling to grow your audience engagement and sales, then you need to check out my content creation system. It's only $47. And inside, it's going to help you discover step-by-step how to create and automate a year's worth of posts for all of your social media platforms with ease in 7 days or less. Just go to profitablecourses.com/CCS, like content creation system. profitablecourses.com/CCS. Now I'm going to dive in and just show you really quickly what is all included here. First and foremost, you are going to get my full content creation system course. This is a full course that you're going to get a login to once you pay. This is worth way more than $47. This is a full-on program so that you can have an exact plan to follow to create and automate all of your social media posts for a year or more in 7 days or less. The second thing you're going to get is the post prompt wizard. So in 2 clicks, you're going to have 100 social media post prompts to write from and schedule a year's worth of your social media posts. Next, you're going to get my step-by-step automation class so you can follow along and automate all of your posts easily and quickly. You're also going to get 3 bonuses. Bonus number 1, you're going to get my consistent live post checklist. So you can have a checklist to follow to consistently post all of your Facebook Lives, IG Stories, IG Lives, etc. Bonus number 2 is my productivity formula PDF, so you can learn how to work smarter and not harder and know what to focus on in your business. Bonus number 3 is my professional cell phone photography tutorial, so you can take your own professional photos even if all you have is a phone. I demo this step-by-step with behind the scenes video tutorial. You're getting everything that I just listed at a total value of $782 for just $47. So go to profitablecourses.com/CCS and I will see you inside.